Hi, everybody. Welcome to Trendy Trading. I hope you had a great day today. I know we did. We had some amazing winners with SPX, 133%, 31%. We did 70% on AMC. I also had some winners in some longer term equity that we're holding. It was an amazing day. And I have to say, on these big pullback days, all I smell is opportunity. And I want to be able to share that with you. I told you that I would give you the updates for Costco and Netflix. So let's go ahead and jump into that just really quick. And then we'll get into the ES future so I can give you an idea what I'm looking for going into the rest of the week. So let's start with COST. One thing I did not mention is that they do have earnings coming up, but that doesn't matter. These levels are still going to play out. So just want to talk you through them and step by step and just kind of show you how that works. And I most likely will take a earnings trade on this by using spreads. If you're interested in that, you can always come and hang out with us, and I will be happy to teach you how I trade around my proprietary scripts that really help me pick out some really high probable trades. First of all, the edges, if you're seeing these lines on here, basically if price is above the edge and it comes down into an edge, we're looking for that to be support. Anytime price is pushing up into an edge, we look for it to be resistance. Now, I did some schooling. I learned all about supply and demand. It cost me a lot of money, cost me a lot of time. And these, what they do, they're just a convenience. An awesome convenience so that I don't have to go back and look on all these other different time frames. All right. And so basically, what I'm looking for is supply and demand all the way from literally 5 minutes to 4 hour to daily to weekly to monthly. And all of that is right here on my screen so that I don't have to go back and search for it. Okay. Also have these really cool banners that help me with the current trend. All right. And these are very important for me, especially when I'm looking at swing trades. All right. So this is Costco today. Let's talk about what it did. It did not quite come back into the green box. What it did was pull back into this 4-hour 9 EMA, and you could see that it was supported there. And because it was supported there, we pushed right back up into this resistance that I drew for you yesterday. And notice that we stopped right here at resistance. So what does that mean? That means tomorrow when we open up, we'll be looking for prices to take out these highs. And if they do, continue to stay long as what we're going to do is use this resistance, 518.94, as a stop. And we'll be looking for each one of these. If you would, just take your wick here and this will give you a target, okay? But overall, what I'm looking for before earnings is a possible move into 527 by 534. Personally, I think it would move up into the 527 level and just kind of stall there. Let's go ahead and take a quick look at Netflix. All right, and so Netflix, this is also something I gave to you. And this one worked out perfectly. This actually moved back right into the box this morning and went bid pre-market. And if you took this pre-market with equity, it worked out really well. I took spreads on it, and what I'm looking for now is an inside and up formation if the market can continue up. What does the inside and up look like? Let's go ahead and zoom in just really quick so I can show you. So what we'll want to see tomorrow is that this candle can get over these bases right here. So if you were just to draw a line, look at that. We have a trendy edge that's already there. And we start to go bid above there. I am looking for that move up into this 406 by 418 target. Again, this is going to be resistance until it's not, basically 395.98. Let's go ahead and round up to 396. So that trigger is 396 for the bulls. We need to see that. Let's say that we gap up above 396 and it starts to pull back. You want to see 396 hold. The biggest takeaway from this, your 4-hour cloud is holding. The box that I drew for you yesterday, go back and watch it on the other video to understand how I got that. That's going to really help you. Prices came into that box. We found buyers and it worked very, very well. Now, before I finish this, let's go ahead and look at the ES futures really quick together because you want to know what's coming. We got to look at the futures, right? All right, so this was our blueprint for trendy trading and it worked out very, very well. This is very simple without going into huge detail. Basically, all that happened was price closed on Friday into resistance. We talked about that in the free BMA that I give out to you guys. And so because we closed at resistance, you got that gap down. But guess what? That gap down puts you right inside an area of demand and at a trendy edge, and things worked out very well. I actually even tweeted yesterday about buying the dip. I hope you guys did well. Once we went above the cloud, though, things started to look really good, and we moved up. We hit that resistance level, but we did not pull back enough to break not only the cloud, but around 38.2% of the rally, and that's a really big deal. So what are we looking for tonight? If you look right now, current prices are up about 6 points or so, but again, just like everything else I showed you, we need to get over this trendy edge, which is at 43.8025. Once we can break above there, we should see a very nice move up into 44.29. Once we get in this red box, be careful, at least for me. If I'm long anything, I want to be trimming and I want to be bringing those stops up, and I want to start to think about the next cycle down that could last anywhere from 1 to 3 days. If you have any questions, please come check us out. We have a trial going on. It's only like 20 bucks for 7 days. You get to listen to me, see my live alerts from my brokerage account. All that stuff is right there for you, and I'm live, so you can ask me any questions you like. I look forward to trading with you, and I hope you have a great week. Can't wait to see you. Thank you.